guys, this is Pranchi and welcome back to my channel. So choosing from all the options that are available on Netflix can be really difficult, right? So in today's video, I'll be showing 10 top 10 like my favorite top 10 shows which are available on Netflix and are really worth binge watching. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Also, I have something for everybody out there, like all the genres that I could think from. So I have picked one from each of them and made this video. So if you like it, please do like the video and enjoy your quarantine with these shows. So the first one on the list is Ozark. Now Ozark is my absolute personal favorite. So Ozark is basically an American crime drama which includes a lot of thrill. So now coming to the story, so Ozark is basically a story about a financial advisor who launders money for the second largest drug cartel in Mexico. And when things start to go haywire, he moves to Ozark with his family to save their lives.
Money, that which separates the haves from the have-nots.
So now moving on, the second on the list is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Now I'm sure most of you have already watched it, but for those of you who haven't, it's an amazing series and it's my favorite. Like all of these are my favorite, but this one has my heart.
Tablets, laptops, and cameras.
Sorry.
Okay, so there are times when you feel like कुछ light सा देखने का मन करता है and you really don't feel like watching some drama and something that has tension and all and थोड़ा छोटा episode that you can finish in like 20-30 minutes. So Brooklyn Nine-Nine is one of those shows. Now coming to the story is about a detective who is very smart, very talented, but he is also very carefree and he does whatever he wants to do, and which gets him in conflict most of the time with his colleagues. So it's a funny comedy series and it's absolutely worth binge watching. Now that I've talked about fun, it's time for telling you something that is serious, and it is Delhi Crime. So Delhi Crime is based on the Nirbhaya rape case which happened in 2012.
I am DCP South District.
जी मैडम.
This crime is not just heinous. It's insanity.
So the series basically follow the story of the aftermath of the gang rape, for the assaults and death of the victim, and that shook the entire country, the entire India. So it's a must watch and it's kind of a documentary. So if that is your jam, go ahead and watch it. So moving on. If you like watching horror, so this one is a must watch, and it is The Haunting of the Hill House.
And my heart breaks right in half and I can't feel anything happy. Till I can't stand it anymore and I have to die. And time on a silver table.
I've watched a lot of horror series. They really don't have a story, but surprisingly this one has a great storyline. And so the story is about a family that moves into a hill house and they experience its paranormal activities around there. But it's a great show and like absolutely worth binge watching. Now the next show has my heart, like really has my heart. So it's You.
Well, hello there. Who are you?
Everyone just calls me Beck.
And there you were.
So You is a 21st century love story, and it asks what would you do for love. So it is a psychological thriller web series, and the plot starts on a very interesting note wherein a bookstore owner meets an aspiring writer, and the guy uses internet to get all the intimate information about her, and now So the next one is again my favorite. It's the Rick and Morty.
Everything's gonna be fine.
So this one is an animated science sitcom about the infinite adventures of Rick, who is a genius alcoholic and a very careless scientist, and with his grandson whose name is Morty and is a 14-year-old obnoxious boy who is not really so smart. So the series is all about how together they explore the infinite universes, causing mayhem and running into trouble. So it's again a must watch. So next in the list is sex education.
We shall be hearing from a sexual health expert.
I'm here to start an open conversation about sex.
So sex education is a teen drama, and I'm so happy of this series because these topics are not really discussed in our society, and this is a show that is made on this topic, so I'm really happy about it. So do watch it. It's a great show. Moving on. Now this one is quite historical, so it's Peaky Blinders, and this one is again some show that I really like.
Crown of a prince. Soon to be king, I bet.
So Peaky Blinders is a historical crime drama on the aftermath of World War I. Set in the England, it is focused on a local gang and their exploits to establish and grow themselves. So it's a nice series. Some might feel it's boring, but I personally like it. So if you're someone who likes history and things like World War I and all of that, you are gonna enjoy this a lot. So the next, all you Marvel fans out there, this one has to be for you. The Punisher is based on the Marvel comics, with Frank Castle, who is an ex-marine, and he has a family that he loves, absolutely loves. But when that family is murdered, he becomes a vigilante and he takes revenge and is known throughout the New York City as the Punisher, which is uniquely brutal brand of justice. Now the next one is Money Heist, and I'm sure all of you might have at least heard of it if you have not watched it.
It's absolutely imperative that the police don't have any idea what we're doing. But be very careful, because
So Money Heist is a Spanish drama, and it had heist, and there are a group of unusual robbers who plans a heist as big as that, and I like the idea of it, and I really like how it's been made. So again, it's a must watch, and yeah, so that's about it. That's about the video. If you like the video, do let me know in the comment section below which of these is your favorite. If you have any other suggestions regarding the video, please let me know about that too. And one more thing, let me know some other shows which are personally your favorites. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.